and welcome to Seal of Cooking. Today I will show you how to make delicious and crispy baked chicken wings with two different sauces to coat them, spicy buffalo sauce and less spicy garlic sauce. For this recipe we will need 600 grams or 1.3 pounds of chicken wings, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika or cayenne pepper if you want them extra spicy, 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. For the spicy buffalo sauce we need 30 grams or 1 ounce of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, whichever you prefer, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite red hot sauce. If you decide to go with the less spicy, more garlicky version, you will need 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of ketchup, 2 cloves of garlic and 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. These amounts are for 1 serving of full meal or 2 servings as appetizers. Okay, let's get into it. First we need to prep the chicken wings. The wing has 3 parts: the drum, the wingette, also known as the flat, and the tip. Cut off the tip right at the top where it meets the wingette. We won't be using the tips as they have too little meat on them, but you can keep them as they are great for chicken broth. Next part is separating the drums from the flats. You have to make a cut between the bones. If it is too hard, you are probably hitting one of the bones. There is a simple trick you can use. Cut the skin right here, grab the 2 parts and bend them in the opposite direction. The bones will disjoint and reveal the exact spot where you need to cut. Do this with all your wings. At this point you can preheat your oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 425 degrees Fahrenheit. First important step for making sure the wings turn out crispy is patting them dry with some paper towels. Don't underestimate this step and just do it. After that, transfer them into a bowl and add all your dry seasoning. 2 teaspoons of baking powder, not to be mistaken with baking soda. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Now this is optional, you can add 1 small teaspoon of paprika, or if you want the wings to be really spicy, add 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper instead. 1 teaspoon of salt, little bit of ground black pepper. Now mix it well using your hands, spatula or whatever you want, and make sure the wings are fully coated. After that we have to prepare our baking sheet. The best technique for this is using a wire rag like this. The fat from the chicken will drip through the holes and what gets trapped underneath, allowing the air to circulate underneath, resulting again in a nice crispy skin. But if you don't have a rack, using baking paper is completely fine. Optional, you can put a piece of aluminum foil underneath the rack, where the fat will collect and the baking sheet will be easier to clean afterwards. Put the wings on the rack or baking paper and into the oven they go. Bake them in the center of the oven for 50 minutes, flipping them after 25 minutes. After you flip them, you will have enough time to prepare the sauce. As I mentioned, I will show you how to make 2 similar sauces and you can decide which one better fits your taste. The first one is classic sweet and spicy buffalo sauce. Grab your pan or saucepan and slowly melt 30 grams or 1 ounce of unsalted butter. After the butter is melted, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of your favorite red hot sauce and 1 tablespoon of honey. If you don't have or don't like honey, add sugar instead. Turn the heat to medium and keep mixing until the sauce is hot and well combined. Some people like to add a bit of cornstarch, but I think the honey is more than enough to make the sauce sticky. Now for the second option. The process is very similar. To a pan or a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of ketchup or red hot sauce, if you want this one to be spicy as well, 2 tablespoons of honey, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and mix over low heat. When the ingredients are mixed, press in 2 cloves of garlic, turn the heat on to medium and keep mixing for about 2 minutes in order to release all the flavor from the garlic. After 50 minutes in the oven, pull out the wings. They are very crispy on the outside and moist and juicy in the inside. Perfect. Now toss them in your sauce either in the pan or in a separate bowl, whichever you prefer. Make sure they are coated all the way. And we are done. You can serve them as a full meal or appetizer, with some french fries, celery sticks, ranch dressing, blue cheese dressing or whatever you like. If you have any questions for this recipe or you want to share your way of making this, write down below in the comments. If you want to see more delicious, quick and easy recipes, don't forget to subscribe and bon appetit!